This short guide shows how to buy shares of S&T Bancorp Inc., a regional bank that provides commercial and consumer banking services and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker STBA. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. And I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker STBA to locate the S&T Bancorp Inc. listing. Make sure the company name and NASDAQ listing match the ticker before continuing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the page clearly shows S&T Bancorp Inc. and the STBA ticker so you are on the correct asset. To invest, click Buy, enter, or select the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. If you want to follow the same steps, the link to eToro is in the description below.